Well, welcome again to my shop, and here's the next radio we're going to be taking a look at. And this radio is actually my radio, and I got this summer at a yard sale, and I really haven't had a chance to even look at it closely since then. So I'm kind of excited to have a good look at it. Now, the first thing I'll say is it's not a very big radio, but just look at that radio and think to yourself, how much could that thing weigh? And once you get that sort of sense in your mind, double it easily. This thing weighs a ton. I'm pretty curious about what makes it so heavy. And so let's take a good look at it. There. So, has a very different dial from almost any other radio I've seen. It's just a piece of paper or cardboard with a pointer. Now, there's no, as far as I can see anyway, no light coming through. Hey, maybe it comes through in these white lines here. Maybe that's what happens. Yeah, how much? I bet you it does. And on this side it says DeForest-Crosley. And a big arrow there. I'm going to guess that's volume. This is obviously tuning here. It just looks like one band. And then this knob, which, can you see what's on it there? General Electric. So I don't think that's the original knob. Now this might be the volume. Look at how worn this is. So that might be the volume. I don't know. 3 controls anyway. A little bit of damage in the grill here. And pretty rough down in here. Not so bad on this side. It's really just this area here. Side's not the best either. It's good up here though. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Whew. That's ready to get broken right off. It seems to have moved forward somehow or other. Loose in there, that joint. Oh, look at that one. Yeah, wow. Oh. Yeah, I'd say coming apart at the seams. Wow, I'll tell you really luck. Yikes. Hey, that one's good. It looks pretty clean inside. This radio, I believe, it came from a collector. So it looks like it's been cleaned. It looks pretty clean up here. Looks like it has an original power cord. Don't know if we want to... Yeah, oh, that came out easy. Oh, look at that. Okay, well that's a tough decision here because this could be a resistive power cord. And plays a bit of a role in the radio, but won't worry about that right now. That's just so much. Whoop. big bundle of wire up in there. I wonder if that's an antenna. Oh, that radio's free to come out. Oh. I didn't even know that. There's nothing holding it in. Oh boy. Now, there's this control that's mounted on the cabinet. It's not coming out. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's about 10 minutes of flood damage control there on our wash basin. Got blocked by a sock. And the washing machine unloaded into it and it couldn't take it. It ended up all over our basement floor. So such is life, eh? Anyway, that's handled. Here we are. Yeah, there's the light. This is kind of a plastic-like material. I can't think of the proper name of it right now. Probably quite brittle at this point. This figure looks pretty good. Here's all this wire. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just an antenna. Not sure what they're trying to do there. Usually one of these is ground and the other is the antenna. So maybe they kind of, I don't know, looks like they had this spread open. So excuse me, looks like they kind of made that into a poor man's dipole there. That's the reason for all the weight. Boy, it's a big thing. Yeah, it's pretty clean inside. I think I'll be replacing the grill cloth. Really looks like it could be operated. Let's take a look underneath it. That's not going to help either, is it? Well, because the wires are only so long going up to this control. I think I can put this radio right upside down if I'm really careful here with it. Oh, okay. Well, I see these two brutes in here. What are these? Hunts. British made. Only the value is hidden from view here. Ooh. That's not too good. Look at that. It's some kind of wax-like material just dripping down from, I would assume, out of the transformer. That's not so good. This hockey tape situation here. What is this? This is terrible stuff. This is friction tape. This thing has been taped up with it. It's really evil stuff here. It's a bad situation. These wires are stiff as rock. There's no moving these. And something's been done here. Oh boy. Isn't that horrible? I have to do some kind of major surgery to clean all this out of here. Whatever these are, replace them. Ooh. Let's see what else we can see here. Oh, what's that? Oh. Look at this wire's just out here with this. Look at. Oh, look at that. Okay. That's not the good thing either. It's interesting. Look how they have the circuit board here. They have the components laid on the circuit board. Nice and neat on this side anyway. Not quite so neat on the other side, but some big capacitors here. Wow. If they got these big lugs out of here, I have room to work around in here and in this capacitor. These are like a lot of dog bone resistors. I'm surprised. I wonder how old this thing actually is. There's that charred crack. Look at the cracks in it. What is this? What is that? It's covering something, I guess. There's wires going in, some coil. I don't see anywhere to adjust it. There's a capacitor right there, a trimmer. The autofocus gets there, but it's slow. It's ugly looking stuff, isn't it? Here it is here. It is ugly. Look at that. Ew. Something god awful's happened to these wires. Even growing bumps. Ew. There's more tape here. More and more tape here. Oh, there's a lot of tape. I just can't believe that's original. This looks older than this. So I think we're looking at two different things here. And maybe this is original down here. Oh, look at that blue wire right there. See the blue wire? The insulation's just completely cracked everywhere. We were looking at it earlier and I thought it looked suspicious, but in fact all the blue wires, if it's blue, it's cracked to heck. Well, it's going to be an interesting radio to work on. I think I better try and see. Yeah, I should see if I can find some information out about it. Hey, look at that. What's that mean? This piece has been removed right from the radio. Wow, I can't believe it. If anything major had been done like that on purpose, then all these capacitors would have been replaced too, because that's not an easy thing to do. Take that stuff off. Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for watching and surviving the house flood too. The house flood episode.